Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.4 question number 4. Find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Let us find. The question number 1 is 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. That will be equal to 2 by 5 multiply the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 2 by 1. That comes to 2 to the 4 and 5 on the 5. That is 4 by 5. This is question number 1. Now question number 2 is 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. That will be equal to 4 by 9 divided by, can be written as into, and reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now change into lowest term, that is 2 1 is 2, it is 2 2 is 4, 3 1 is 3, and 3 3 is 9. That is equal to 2 into 1 is 2, and 3 into 1 is 3. That is 2 by 3. This is question number 2. Now question number 3 is 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. That can be equal to 3 by 8 divided by 8 can be written as multiplication form, and the reciprocal of 8 by 7 is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. That comes to 3 7 is 21 plus 8 8 is 64. That is 21 by 64 is the answer. Right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 2 whole 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. That can be written as, this is a mixed fraction, change into fraction. That is 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Or it can be written as 7 by 3. It will be multiplication form. And the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. That is equal to 5 7 is 35 and 3 3 is 9. Now divide 35 by 9. Divide 35 by 9. 3 9 is 27. 8. Therefore, it can be written as 3 whole 8 by 9. 8 by 9. This is the answer. Now question number 5 is 4. Now question number 5 is 3 whole 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. That is equal to, multiply this number with this and add this one. That is 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by this is divided by 8 by 3. That will be equal to 7 by 2, and divided by can be written as multiplication form, that is into, and 8 by 3, the reciprocal of 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. That is equal to 3 is 21 and 8 is 16. And divide 21 by 16. Divide 21 by 16. 16 1 just 16. 5. There is one whole 5 by 16. This is the answer of question number 5. Now question number 6 is 2 by 5 divided by 1 whole 1 by 2. 1 whole 1 by 2. Therefore, it can be written as 2 by 5 divided by, this is a mixed fraction, therefore 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. It will be written as 2 by 5 2 by 5 2 by 5 is multiply, the reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, and it comes to 2 to the 4 and 5 3 is 15, that is 4 by 15. This is the answer of question number 6. Now question number 7 is 3 whole 1 by 5 divided by 1 whole 2 by 3. That will be equal to, change into fraction first, that is multiply the common whole number with the denominator, that is 3 5 is 15 plus 1, that is 16 by 5. 16 by 5 divided by whole, multiply the whole number with the denominator and then add with the numerator, that is 3 1 is 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 3, that is 5 by 3. That will be equal to 16 by 5 into, write the reciprocal of 5 by 3, that is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Therefore, it is 5 5 is 25 and 16 into 3. 16 into 3, that is 16 multiplied by 3. 3 is 18, carry 1, it is 8. 3 is 3 plus 1 4, that is 48. 48 by 25. 48 by 25. Now divide 48 by 25. Divide this number by 25. Therefore 25 1 is 25. 25. 8 minus 5, that is 3. 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Right? Therefore it will be equal to 1 whole 23 by 25. 23 by 25. This is the answer of question number 7. This is the answer of question number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 2 whole 1 by 5 divided by 1 whole 1 by 5. That will be equal to, change to fraction first, multiply the whole number with the denominator and add with the numerator. That is 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. 11 by 5 divided by 5 by 5 plus 1, 6, that is 6 by 5. That is equal to 11 by 5 multiply the reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. That is 5 1 5. 5 1 5. That comes to 11 1 11 and 6 1 6. 11 by 6. Now if we divide 11 by 6, we are getting 6 1 6. 5. That is 1 whole 5 by 6. The answer is 1 whole 5 by 6. This is the answer, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.